Houston homeowners know that the local climate can be demanding. Long, hot summers, high humidity, and sudden weather changes make energy efficiency a top priority for any home improvement. One upgrade that combines comfort, beauty, and practical savings is the installation of bay windows. When designed and installed correctly, bay windows can significantly improve energy efficiency while enhancing the overall living experience in Houston homes. Maximizing natural light without excess heat. One of the biggest advantages of bay windows is their ability to bring in abundant natural light. In Houston, where daylight is plentiful year-round, this can reduce the need for artificial lighting during the day. Modern bay windows are typically built with energy-efficient glass that allows sunlight to enter while minimizing heat transfer. Low emissivity, low E, coatings reflect excess solar heat, keeping your interior bright but cooler, even during peak summer temperatures. This balance of light and temperature helps homeowners maintain comfortable indoor conditions without overworking their air conditioning systems. Improved insulation for hot and humid conditions. Houston's humidity can make even small air leaks a problem. Poorly insulated windows allow hot air and moisture to seep inside, forcing HVAC systems to run longer and harder. High-quality bay windows are designed with multiple panes, insulated frames, and advanced sealing systems that create a strong thermal barrier. Because bay windows extend outward from the home, they are often constructed with enhanced framing and insulation compared to standard flat windows. This extra layer of protection helps prevent heat gain in summer and keeps cooled air inside where it belongs. Reducing cooling costs year-round. Energy-efficient bay windows can make a noticeable difference on monthly energy bills. By limiting heat transfer and improving insulation, these windows help stabilize indoor temperatures. Your air conditioner doesn't need to cycle as frequently, which reduces energy consumption and wear on the system. Over time, these savings can add up, making bay windows a smart long-term investment for Houston homeowners who want to control cooling costs without sacrificing comfort or style. Strategic ventilation for better airflow. Many bay windows include operable side panels, such as casement or double-hung windows. This design allows homeowners to take advantage of natural ventilation during milder days. Cross breezes help flush out warm, stale air and bring in fresh airflow, reducing reliance on air conditioning when the weather allows. In a climate like Houston's, where evenings can occasionally cool down, this added ventilation offers an energy-saving alternative that also improves indoor air quality. Enhanced comfort in living spaces. Energy efficiency isn't just about lower utility bills, it's also about comfort. Bay windows help eliminate common issues like hot spots, drafts, and uneven temperatures near windows. With better insulation and advanced glazing, rooms stay more consistent and comfortable throughout the day. This makes bay windows ideal for living rooms, bedrooms, or breakfast nooks where families spend a lot of time and want a cozy, temperature-controlled environment. Long-term value and sustainability. Choosing energy-efficient bay windows also supports long-term sustainability goals. Reduced energy consumption means a smaller carbon footprint and a more environmentally responsible home. In addition, energy-efficient upgrades can increase property value and appeal to future buyers who prioritize comfort and lower energy costs. For Houston homeowners planning to stay in their homes for years, or thinking ahead to resale, bay windows offer both immediate and lasting benefits. A smart choice for Houston homes. Bay windows are more than a visual upgrade. In Houston's challenging climate, they provide meaningful energy efficiency benefits that enhance comfort, reduce cooling costs, and improve overall home performance. With the right materials, glazing, and professional installation, bay windows can transform your home into a brighter, cooler, and more energy-efficient space designed to handle Houston's heat with ease.